Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now, do you know that there are some people whose face is actually darker than their body, and there are some people whose face is actually lighter than their body. So if you're actually in the categories of people whose face is blacker or darker than your body, this remedy is actually for you, because some of the causes of this is excessive sun, and also some of those chemical cream you use that when you are out in the sun, it tends to react and actually makes your face darker than your body. So this natural home remedy is going to repair that, but you have to be consistent, and it is really cooling on the skin. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and the first ingredient we're going to be needing is sugar. Now you can either use brown sugar or white sugar. It's a wonderful exfoliating agent that helps to remove dead skin cells from your face, lips, and even your body. To restore and refresh tired, clogged pores, you have to use sugar. Now, sugar also helps to remove all white heads, black heads, and it also helps to get rid of pigmentations. And then we're going to also be needing honey. Honey is a skin-saving property. It's a natural antibacterial agent. It is great for acne treatment, and it's also great for prevention. It contains antioxidants that is great for slowing down aging process, and it helps to create a glow, and it allows products to actually get into your skin, therefore making it really work. Then we're going to be needing aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is a sun protective agent. It is great for dry skin. It helps your skin glow. It also great for aging skin, and it helps to remove irritations and sunburn. And also we're going to be making use of rice powder. Now you can get your rice in your kitchen, blend it into a powder form, and poof, you have your rice powder. Now rice powder is a great exfoliating agent. The particles in rice powder helps to remove dark spots. Alright guys, so for the honey, we're going to be taking, this is about 1 tablespoon of honey, and then we're also going to be taking equal amount of the sugar, 1 tablespoon as well. To make this work really nice, we're also going to be needing to use half tablespoon of rice powder, and then 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. Now this is even more ideal if you can get fresh aloe vera to use in this. It's gonna do the job really well. Okay, now the next thing is to stir this ingredient together. And this is really wonderful, guys. Rub this once a day if your face is actually darker than your whole body, like you're going to see the difference. You have to mix it so that the sugar actually dissolves just a little. Alright guys, so here is the treatment. Now if your skin is actually darker than your whole body, your face, basically, you apply this. The sugar scrub is going to do the whole job, and the rice powder in it. After you apply this, guys, you would have to give it a little scrub, okay, because the intention is to scrub out those dead skin cells, and it is ideal for you to scrub in an upward direction, okay, just like that. You scrub your nose in a circular motion to remove all of the white heads and black heads and all of those stuff. And then you scrub here in a circular motion also to release this wrinkle around between your eyebrow. And then you scrub this also in an upward direction, upward and sideways direction. Scrub your lip, scrub your home out, and you scrub all of that side. Okay, now guys, if you want this to really work for you, you would have to do it every evening for the space of 2 weeks, okay, because it's actually natural. It is natural, okay, there is no magic in this. It's gonna definitely work, but you have to give it a little time. At most from 1 week, you're going to, in fact, from the third day you apply it, you're going to see a whole lot of improvement. Now you can also store it in your refrigerator for a couple of days. It's going to stay, but it's just going to like dissolve all of the particles of the sugar. It's still very okay and still very normal. You can still use it on your skin, and then you wash it off with a normal water. Like, the skin needs sugar, the skin needs honey, the skin needs aloe vera, the skin needs rice powder. You know what? You're going to see the difference. Why not just try this out and let me know how it is, because I know the difference is going to be so clear. So that's it, guys. You are going to be loving this treatment or this remedy, because it's just going to work really well for you, but you have to be consistent in it. Give it a little time, it will work out, and it will work out really good, okay? So if you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you. Bye guys.